Hello. Are you considering converting your private limited company, Pvt Ltd, into a limited liability partnership, LLP? This could be a smart business move that provides flexibility, reduced compliance, and tax benefits, all while maintaining limited liability protection. If you're looking to streamline operations and reduce regulatory burdens, an LLP is a great alternative to a private limited company. Let's explore how to make the transition. Why convert? So why should you consider converting your private limited company into an LLP? Limited liability, lower compliance costs, flexible management, no minimum capital requirement, perpetual succession, legal framework for conversion. The legal process of conversion is governed by the following: LLP Act, 2008, Companies Act, 2013, Sec. 366, LLP Rules, 2009, Step-by-step process. Here's the step-by-step process to convert your private limited company to an LLP. 1. Pass a board resolution. 2. Check name availability. 3. File conversion forms, Form 18 and Form 2. 4. Draft and execute LLP agreement. 5. Obtain ROC approval. 6. Transfer assets and liabilities. 7. Apply for tax and GST registrations. Forms required for conversion. Here are the forms you'll need. Form 18. Application for company to LLP conversion. Form 2. Incorporation document for the new LLP. Form 3. Submission of the LLP agreement. Form 4. Appointment of designated partners. Essential documents required. You will need these documents for the conversion: board resolution, MOA and AOA, financial statements, LLP agreement, PAN and Aadhaar of partners, registered office proof, NOC from creditors, post-conversion compliance. Once the conversion is complete, you need to comply with these ongoing requirements: annual ROC filings, appointment of designated partners, GST and tax compliance, statutory records maintenance, timeline and cost of conversion. Processing time. The conversion typically takes 30-60 days depending on the approvals. Cost includes government filing fees, legal and professional charges, documentation and filing fees. How Filings Corner can help you. At Filings Corner, we simplify the entire conversion process with expert legal assistance. Legal consultation. We handle MOA, AOA, LLP agreement, and all legal paperwork. Hassle-free ROC filing. Post-conversion compliance support. Many package options available. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to start your LLP conversion journey. Filings Corner. Making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful.